Hello, welcome to Yemiz Kitchen where we cook African dishes, African menu, African flavor with all American ingredients. Today I'm going to be cooking my most favorite, bestest, most vouched for by my family barbecue spare ribs. So, the ingredients that I am going to use for my barbecue spare ribs as follow. For the marination, I'll be using garlic powder, red pepper, rosemary, a teaspoon of each, curry powder, thyme, salt, bouillon chicken powder, and paprika. For my barbecue sauce, I have 3 teaspoons of brown sugar and I have my cayenne pepper. That is just my secret. You see, I'm African. I love eating peppers. I also have barbecue sauce. This is the cheapest I got from Walmart. Any kind of barbecue sauce will do. But today I will be using this brand, which is a cheap brand. It's called Bull Eyes Barbecue Sauce, and I've used it. It's already from my fridge. So I'm about to open the ribs. This is like 4 to 5 pounds of ribs. I'll open this rib, cut into pieces, clean and rinse it out. Then I will marinate it for 30 minutes before I put it in the oven. Now the ribs have been washed, cut. Now I'm going to season it with my ginger and garlic paste. I have my seasoning that I showed you earlier. I'm going to mix it up and leave it for about 30 minutes. You see, my friend, the reason why people like African food or the Caribbean food or the ethnic food is because of the seasoning. The seasoning is different. It's umamilicious, humilicious. It's just ethnic. It's just rich, it just touches in a different way. That is why they like African inspired food. It's the seasoning. That's the secret of it. All this goodness rubbed in these barbecue spare ribs. All this goodness, just marinate it for a while, rub it in, then marinate for a while. That's what makes it different in the seasoning and the taste of the final product. Just marinate and marinate and marinate and rub it in. All this goodness just for this ribs. My children swears that when I make this is better than what we eat outside when we go out to eat. Just marinate it very well. Rub it in, then marinate it for like 30 minutes to an hour. Now, I'm going to go and put my oven to 450 and I'm going to bake this for 45 minutes to an hour. I'm going to do maybe 35 minutes or 30 minutes to 25 minutes on each side for it to bake properly in the oven. Now, let's go to the oven. The ribs are almost done and I'm going to start to put let's go mix the sauce. Now to pair this barbecue ribs, I'm going to pair with my potato logs. I have in here 2 big large potatoes which I've cut into big logs, potato logs. So I'm going to season it with my black pepper, my garlic powder, my chicken bouillon seasoning, and a little bit of oil which I have seasoned. I'm going to season it for like 20 minutes, then fry it. So you don't have to fry it, you can put it in your air fryer or in your oven. But I'm frying it for today to pair with this ribs. Dang, this is a hearty and filling meat and food. I am in Texas and I'm a Texan, and in Texas we do everything big. Our buff Our barbecue ribs, my son is making me happy here. My barbecue ribs is Texan. You see, it's dry and big, and so are my potato logs. So, with my barbecue ribs, Yemiz kitchen take on barbecue ribs with African touch. I'm going to pair with my Asian salad to clean my palate, and an extra barbecue sauce with cayenne pepper in it, my twist on it, and mustard, honey mustard sauce. In my house, my children love to eat fries with honey mustard or potato logs. So, if I've made you happy, and if you have been with me, girl or man, don't forget to like, share, follow on my social media, and be one of my guests and my family. I love to grow big. Please subscribe. Love you. God bless you. Don't forget, happiness is a choice. Choose to be happy. Love you. Mwah!